Hey there YouTube. Today I'm making a quick video to show off this Halogen GoLight that I got. It's pretty cool. You can use it on a boat or an off-road vehicle, and you can use it to, of course, light things up from very far away. So this unit came with a magnetic mount, which you can also screw in. There's little screw holes in it. A cover, a amber light cover, a remote, which the remote is not actually waterproof. It's kind of interesting. They just give you a watertight bag, and it has like a little strap on the back so you can like hook it up. But the remote inside of the Ziploc basically is not waterproof, so I thought that was interesting. It uses two 23A batteries, which are 12 volts, so that's kind of different. Here's the model number. And when your batteries are low in your remote, it will turn off, which is also kind of different. It actually had me scratching my head for a while because when I first got this it kept turning off. But I will say the power plug is poorly designed. You often have to wiggle it or else the light will turn off. So I actually just wedged it in there with a piece of paper to keep contact. So for example, I put the piece of paper like right here, and then that would kind of hold it in. If you're going to permanently mount this, I would just cut the end off of this since there is no fuse in here and hardwire it. Inside of the unit you can also take off the rubber suction cup mount, and you can also see there's hardwire terminals in there if you wanted to just hook the leads up there. That's a bad angle. There we go. See, those connectors will just open up. You can replace that wire, so that's pretty cool. So it actually does have a pretty strong suction cup. You just actuate it with this lever here. Okay, like I said, pretty strong. Come on. Let's make sure we got that centered. Make sure you got the rubber center down there. There we go, much easier. Now, can't lift it up. So, that's pretty cool. And of course, you just pop it. Here's a close-up of the GoLight. Like I said, it's halogen, not LED. It's got GoLight all over it, the labeling. And here's the mount. And there's the magnets. Oh, actually picked up a washer somewhere. Pretty magnetic. The unit actually just clicks into the mount like so. Like that, and then this button holds it in. Oh, that's bright. Alright, didn't get me that time. There's no auto center, that would be nice. There is a speed control button, which is what this plus and minus is. If you hit that, it goes this speed. If you hit that, it goes that speed. So I'll probably have to do that to get it centered again. Precision. There we go. And then the slow speed adjuster also works for the up and down, and you can throw it back into high speed. Oh yeah, and it also has a carrying case if you want to take it off the mount and just put it in this case. The mount actually will fit in here too. That's pretty bright. You can go right to the treetops. So I hope this video helps someone. Thanks for watching.